Action. What do you think about designing a new factory using your phone? Maybe you are not familiar with the factory planning process. One of the most common methods for factory planning is using software applications like Inventor, RoboDK or Delmia. Before starting the project, I said, okay, I need to do some research to see how Delmia or RoboDK look like, what features do these apps have, what features I can improve, what features I can add. Now the problem was how I will create this app, and I said, okay, I created games in Unity before. I heard that people are using Unity to create AR apps. The next step was to know how I can create an AR app using Unity, and after some searches on YouTube I found out that there is AR Foundation. After importing AR Foundation in my project, I started to learn how to use it. I added cubes in my room and a lot of objects to get familiar with the AR Foundation. After 2 days, I think, I said, okay, now I need to see where I can get the robots, the CNC machines, the conveyors. The solution was Inventor. Here I found a library where you can get a lot of objects from factory. I don't remember very well what was it called, like I think factory utilities for Inventor or something like this. And now here are coming the first problems. First thing is that Unity doesn't know how to import step files or STL files, only FBX or object files. Inventor know only to export step files or STL files. And I found out that I can import in Blender STL files, applying material to the objects and export them as an FBX. After that, the next step was to create a user interface for my app, and I started to create a list where you can see all the objects created in the environment. I added an object menu editor where you can rename your object in the environment. You can change the coordinates like the position and the rotation. I added a menu of objects to select what object you want to place on the environment. And after all of these things, I said, okay, now let's test the app. After the testing part, I realized that I need to improve my object placement. As you can see in my first version of the app, there was a target where you can see where your object will be placed, and I said, okay, I should create an hologram of the object when I want to place it, to know exactly how it will look like if I place the object. But then I realized that it should be great if you can attach some grippers on robots to create also a riser for the robot and a lot of things. This is the current status of my app. I'm still working on it. I hope you enjoy my journey of this app development. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, if you have any idea of features to add to my project, will be very good. And everything being said, have a nice day and see you later.